I'm Sophie Schimdtlin and I'm Chief Technology Officer in The Future is Neutral, which is the subsidiary dedicated to circular economy for the automotive industry. We've been announcing in this ChangeNOW Summit the launch of the first offer in Europe about remanufacturing of parts for electric cars like e-motors, power electronics and battery repair. Renault Group is integrating the concept of circular economy for its EV car through different steps of activities around the batteries, like, for instance, the battery repair, the battery remanufacturing in case you have an incident out of warranty, for instance. Renault Group is also offering a second life to batteries through Gaia. And finally, Renault Group is also focusing on battery recycling in order to provide recycled material in the future and reduce the pressure on natural resources. A new battery regulation has been issued last year that increased metal recovery from end-of-life batteries and also incorporation of material coming from recycled batteries from 2031. And in order to be ready, The Future is Neutral is aiming at developing closed-loop battery recycling together with technology partners in order to be involved in such kind of new circular economy activity in the future.